arrived opened, just like this. I mean, it's still sealed. You can see that. I'm a little bit concerned. It's raining, so I'm so glad that I was home to get this box before everything got drenched. Hello, how are you? It's so nice to see you. I'm really glad that you showed up today to see what's inside my Stitch Fix box. I always love seeing what my stylist picked for me. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. I sure hope that you will subscribe and join me for another video. To my returning subscribers, hi everyone, how you doing? It's nice to see you. If you need information, if you are just wondering what this Stitch Fix is, I will leave all the details in the description box below. This is a style subscription service, and you can get a Stitch Fix of your own by using my referral link. If you like, you'll get $25 credit. If you use my link, I also get some credit. Thank you to everyone that has used my link. I'm dying to get into this, guys, and make sure everything is okay. I'm actually gonna open this box on camera, which I seldom do, and you know why? Because I make the weirdest faces when I open a box. Everything looks good. It looks like everything is intact. It looks like we have some jewelry and a great big fat bundle. There's a return mailer. We always get that with Stitch Fix. And jewelry. It does make a little bit of noise. The envelope is here, and it looks like everything is intact. Let me pull this gigantic bundle out. All right, here is the bundle. Would you look at that? Okay, got some more rainbow colors, which you know I loved the rainbow colored sweater that I got in one of my other subscription boxes. So I just purchased a rainbow sweater. We have something in navy, some burgundies here. Should we start with the jewelry? I think we should. Let's check it out. This says JM. This is Jill Michael Jalen Pounded Metal Drop Earrings in Gold. Okay. Wow. Okay, these are gorgeous. Look how pretty. Wow, these are really pretty. There's a card in here too. And here's the card. It says, "We hope you love your Jill Michael jewelry. Each piece is simple and sophisticated and designed for easy everyday wear using quality silver and gold plated metals. These fashionable styles can be worn alone or layered with other pieces in your collection for a classic look that is unique to you." This is right up my alley. I like those a lot. Okay, let's break into the bundle. Okay, first up is a t-shirt. This is navy blue. We have some detail in the back. This one is called, this is Paper Moon. This is the Rochelle back detail knit top in navy. We'll see. I'm not impressed because I have tons and tons of tops similar to that. This is gorgeous. This is by the brand 525 America. Okay, this is very similar to the sweater I just purchased, but this one is gorgeous. This has got, like, the color is almost like a dip dye or ombre effect, but it just changes from the, like, the marigold colors into the deeper oranges, reds, pinks, purples, all the way down to blue. And this is a big chunky sweater. What is it called? This one's called the Ryan Ombre Space Dyed Pullover in Yellow by 525 America. All right, next up, this is gorgeous. Is this Bobo? Oh, this is Bobo. That's funny. I just took a Bobo cardigan off to film this video because sometimes it gets a little warm. And this is, okay, it's kind of weird. This is, I think it's a cardigan. And this is how it looks, but it does have this detail here. There's a button there, and this is like that wobbly knit. So it does have pockets. Let's see, does Stitch Fix put a tag on here, or is this just Bobo tags? I think maybe, oh, here it is. Stitch Fix calls this one the Bobo Rowan Convertible Single Closure Cardigan in dark pink. I like this one. And then last we have These feel like velvet. These are a pair of pants, and they feel like velvet. They are by the brand Lila Ryan, the Brittany high-rise tapered trouser in stretch velveteen. Can you see all that? These are really pretty. I don't wear a whole lot of trousers, and this, although these could be worn for Valentine's Day, it's really going to depend on the price, because this would be a great pair of slacks had I had them for the Christmas holidays, but might be a little bit late in the season to be purchasing velvet pants. I don't know. What do you think? I guess it's going to depend on how they fit. Let me try everything on. I've tried everything on, and there's a couple pieces I really like. I can't wait to hear your opinions on those pieces. There's a couple pieces that just do not work for me. I'm not interested in adding those pieces to my wardrobe. But the prices. Now, I have asked to receive more budget-friendly fixes. I don't know if that's the best idea, because it seems like the more unique and eclectic pieces always come with a bigger price tag, and that's really all I'm looking to add to my wardrobe. I want those unique pieces with a fabulous price tag. I don't know if I'm looking in the right place when I'm ordering from Stitch Fix, but this entire fix, all 5 pieces, is $298. Now, if I buy everything, the buy all discount 25% off is minus $74.50, which brings the total to $223.50. I do have some credit. I can use it on this box if I choose to, but it's harder for me to spend the credit than it is my own boxes. I feel like I have a responsibility to you, my viewers, to spend that credit wisely. So check out the pieces, the fit. Let me know what you think about these pieces. So let's start with the pieces I'm not crazy about. This little blue top with the lattice detail. This is the Paper Moon Rochelle back detail knit top. That's exactly what it is, a navy blue top. This is a really nice staple piece, and it's got the detail in the back, which is fun. And I just received a top similar to this. It's a more winter weight top. And one of my viewers suggested wearing this back lattice detail top with a fun bralette. And I thought that is such a marvelous idea. However, I don't need this top. I have several navy blue knit rayon spandex tops that I've received in my other subscription boxes. This is just a nice basic. If you're looking for a navy blue short sleeve top, this might do the trick. It's only $36. This is the cheapest thing in the box, and I don't want it. The next piece that I'm not crazy about are the pants. These are the Lila Ryan Brittany high-rise tapered trouser. Do you know I do not own any Lila Ryan? I don't know if the label just doesn't work for me, if they design their pants for a different body type, but I've tried several denim from Lila Ryan and trousers and all sorts, because this is a brand that Stitch Fix carries and has sent to me several times. I've never bought them. I do really like the texture of these pants, and they're stretchy. Ooh, I left the fly open, but they are a stretchy pant, which I like my stretch. I do like that these are ankle pants. I don't like the rise on them. They're a traditional trouser cut, which I don't like that lower rise. It creates a muffin top. I mean, the muffins have created the muffin top, but the waistband on these pants pronounce it and emphasize it. So this is just not, the trouser look does not work for me. I've never been happy with this trouser cut. This is not an exception. These are $88, and as much as I might want to add a burgundy velvet pant to my wardrobe, these are not the one. And I also think that I wouldn't be buying velvet pants this late in the season, or this early, I should say. If I received these in November, it might be a different story. Let's talk about the earrings next. I should be wearing them right now because I think I'm going to keep these. These are Jill Michaels, the Jalen hammered gold tone or gold plated earrings, and they're very simple, very conservative. They do have just a funky detail on them. I think they're very lovely. They're only $28. So I think that's the lowest price range on jewelry from Stitch Fix. And for $28, I think these are a great price. I think they're beautiful. I think I want to add them to my collection. Do you like these? I think these are probably going to stay with me. The next piece is the cardigan. This is the B collection by Bobo. And I'm not familiar with that label. I do own a lot of Bobo. This is a brand that is sold at Nordstrom. It's a very affordable brand. Now, this particular cardigan, it is that nubby knit, extremely soft, and this is a convertible cardigan. So it does button on the outside as well as the inside. And in the try-on, I did show it to you buttoned, which I think is lovely. I think it is probably a way that I would actually wear the cardigan, because sometimes I just wear a cardigan out. I think you probably do too. And it is nice to be able to button it up and wear it as actually something that will keep you warm outside. But when I do go inside, I would probably unbutton it, and it does create a waterfall type neckline. So what did you think of that? Now, one of the things I found very cool and unusual about this cardigan is the pocket placement. It's actually on the side of your body. And I think that is pretty cool. Now, I don't walk around with my hands in my cardigans a whole lot. I usually just use this for tissue or a piece of gum, something like that. I think this one is beautiful. It's $68, the B collection by Bobo. So you know what I'm going to do before I purchase this? I'm going to do a little comparable shopping and find out if that's the going rate for this cardigan, because cardigans honestly are on sale right now everywhere that you look. So I might be able to find this at a better price. I don't know. Do you think I can? I'm not familiar with the B collection, so that might be exclusive to Stitch Fix, in which case I'm going to have to pay $68 for this cardigan, which I really like. I think it's very unique. The last piece I tried is this awesome sweater by 525 America. This is the Ryan Space Dyed Ombre Pullover, and I think it's gorgeous. And I really do like that rainbow, very, very colorful print. This is a really heavyweight sweater, which is perfect for this time of year. I just purchased a very, very similar sweater. In fact, I think the sweater that I purchased is more pink and orange. I'll leave that video linked above if you want to go and check out the sweater that I did purchase. That one is actually a longer length. This one is a crop length. It is a pretty short sweater, which is not my favorite. I like my sweaters to hit a little bit lower on my hips. What do you think about this one? It's $78. It's worth every penny of $78. This is a nice quality sweater. You can feel it. It's gorgeous. It's unique. I like it. I just purchased one that I'm very happy with. And I honestly do not need more than one rainbow sweater in my wardrobe. But had I got this one first, I would probably own it, even though it is a little bit shorter than my preferred sweater length. I think I'm happy with the sweater that I got. So I guess out of this fix, I want to keep the Bobo cardigan. If the price is right, I think I should keep the Bobo cardigan and the Jill Michael earrings, because I think these are gorgeous. This might be it. This is $68 and $28, so about $100. What do you think? Is it worth it? I look forward to hearing your comments because you see things that I don't see, and I always appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much for joining me for another stitch fix. Like I said, I was wearing a Bobo cardigan of my own before I started filming. I just picked that up in a thrift haul. If you want to see that thrift haul and everything that I purchased while I was out thrifting this weekend, please let me know in the comments. I would be happy to share it with you. Guys, that cardigan cost me nearly nothing. So paying $68 for a cardigan, that's a little tough right now. Anyway, I look forward to your comments. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one. Blessings!